Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who is accused of kidnapping a girl. Let's see here. I'm accused of kidnapping a 7-year-old girl. I have a similar vehicle that the police are looking for. I was doing work in the area where the girl lived. In the past, I had a DUI. I don't know how this will affect me now. Well, yes. Well, kidnapping is a felony under Penal Code Section 207 parentheses B. This is for kidnapping somebody under the age of 14. This carries up to 11 years state prison. Now, if somebody were to kidnap somebody for the purposes of having sex with that person or raping that person, that would carry anywhere from 7 years to life in state prison. Now, in this situation, remember that it's the police that have the obligation to investigate the case, and they will check it out based on your vehicle and the make, model, all that stuff. Just because you have a similar vehicle doesn't mean that you were the one who actually kidnapped the child, and they will do their investigation. Now, because you are a suspect, I would recommend that you exercise your Miranda rights, which are, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, a public defender will be assigned to your case. Now, kidnapping doesn't have a statute of limitations. They can basically keep checking into you for the rest of your life. They can keep checking to see if you are in fact involved in the crime. It's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate that you have a very similar vehicle, but there's not really much you can do to stop the investigation or to impede it. Now, obviously, if you hire an attorney at that point, and the police will not be able to bug you directly, and they would have to go to the attorney in order to try to get information out of the attorney. However, any attorney worth a salt will not give up any information about his or her client. But please be aware that the police can investigate it, and because we're talking about a kidnapping, there is no statute of limitations, which means they will always be trying to pick at you and whatnot. So because there is no statute of limitations, it's really recommended that you hire a criminal defense attorney, at least so that the attorney can be a buffer between you and the police, because once the police are aware that you have an attorney, the police will not be able to question you directly about this specific case. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we will respond in the future with more videos. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who violated his electronic monitor. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.